Hey guys, hope you had a great weekend. It's Monday, February 25th, and we're going to take a fresh look at gold, go through our different time frames, and see what's happening. So we'll start off with the monthly time frame. Nothing much has changed here. We're still in this monthly equilibrium with only 3 days left in the month. And if we close right here, this is going to be an indecision spinning top right at the top of our uptrend. Indecision spinning tops, they can signal reversals. They can show momentum slowing down. And really, that's what we need to focus on right now. February has been a month of a little bit of volatility and indecision overall. If we jump to the weekly time frame, we can see that we've got our long uptrend, and we can see that we've also got a nice shooting star reversal pattern that we closed with last week. So we are now one or 2 days into the trading week, and we're going to see if we get any follow through off of this reversal pattern. So uptrend, shooting star on the weekly, currently on a doji very, very early into the week. So we're not going to be worried about that at all. On the daily time frame here, we can see that we broke our 326 resistance. We came back underneath it, back tested it, and we see that we're having a little bit of trouble getting over this area. So we don't really worry about these hard and fast rules of 1326 exactly. This area is what we're concerned with, right? So 1326 to 1327, if we go ahead and draw in a horizontal line here, right at that close, this is the channel right now that we're stuck in. So we've managed to break up again. Let's just review, get up to a high of 1346 before we pull back down. We did not confirm as support that we should have done for the bulls to see good continuation. We bounced off of our EMA 12, came back, found that resistance right at 1328. We tried to get over it 2 days in a row, and currently we are in a little bit of a doji formation right there. So for continuation for the bulls on the daily time frame, what we need to see is a nice strong push, close over 1328, back test, and confirming as support before continuing on to the upside. If the bulls are not able to do that and the bears take over, what we're going to see is another close under 1326, testing the EMA, confirming 1326 as resistance, and then move to the downside. On the 4-hour chart, let's take a look and see what we can see here. Not a lot going on that we can use definitively as our areas of support and resistance. What we're going to do is look for the bulls to set a higher high over 1333, and we want to see if they are able to get a new low above 1321. That's what the bulls need to see. Either a new low here and then a higher high over 1333, or if it goes the other direction, we're going to see a new low under 1321 and look for a continuation of this 4-hour downtrend that we are currently in. On the hourly time frame, see if that has any sort of bearing for us. Not a lot. We can see that we do have this lower highs and lower lows forming up here as well. Again, we need to hold over 1321 for the bears, sorry, for the bulls to have any sort of hope for upside continuation. So that's it for today. A little bit of volatility, and we're looking for a pullback on the weekly to confirm our shooting star pattern here.